Our group will be presenting Wine Fermentation. Director Yubeli Bernal, narrator Cynthia Alonso, producer Eduardo Gonzalez, animator Ashley Hernandez. Fermentation is a process of deriving energy from the oxidation of organic compounds. The reaction of fermentation differs according to the sugar being used and the product produced. In the chemical equation for fermentation, 1 mole of glucose yields to produce 2 moles of ethanol plus 2 moles of carbon dioxide, each weighing 180 grams, making it a balanced equation. Fermentation is thought to have been the primary means of energy production in earlier organisms before oxygen was at high concentration in the atmosphere, and thus would represent a more ancient form of energy production in cells. Yeast carries out fermentation, the production of ethanol in beers, wines, and other alcoholic drinks, along with the production of large quantities of carbon dioxide. When yeast ferments, it breaks down the glucose into exactly 2 molecules of ethanol and 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. The process of fermentation in wine is a catalyst function that turns grape juice into an alcoholic beverage. During fermentation, yeast interacts with sugars in the juice to create ethanol, commonly known as ethyl alcohol, and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. In winemaking, the temperature and speed of fermentation is an important consideration, as well as the levels of oxygen present in the must of the start of the fermentation. Fermentation may be done in stainless steel tanks, which is common with white wines, in an open wooden vat inside a wine barrel, and inside the wine bottle itself, like in production of many sparkling wines.